Welcome to the Caliper channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix mouse scrolling wheel problem in Windows 11 laptop or desktop computers. Now, at first, what you want to do is just go ahead and go to your search bar. In here, search for Control Panel. Then just open up Control Panel. Then just make sure your view by is set to either large icon or small icons. Then in here, just search for mouse. Then just click on mouse. And after that, this window will pop up. This window will have multiple tabs, for example, buttons, pointers, pointer option, wheel, and hardware. Now inside button tab, make sure your double click speed is set to the right one. And if you feel like it's slow, just increase this. And after that, you can just go to your wheel tab. In here, the wheel values will be set to 3 by default in Windows. Now, if your scroll wheel is not working, I recommend you change the values to either 5 or to 7. Then just click on apply and click on OK. Then just close everything and then just try your scroll wheel and it should work. And basically that is how to fix scrolling wheel problem in Windows 11 laptop or desktop computers. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.